Hey everyone, today I want to talk about sneeze guards. As a teacher, I understand the importance of keeping a barrier between myself and my students. So I've gone online, I've Googled sneeze guards, and one thing I've realized is they're pretty expensive. So I thought I'd come up with a cheaper version, a DIY version that hopefully will work. I have not tested it yet. So the basic, what you need is this window insulation kit. And in addition to this, you'll need a PVC frame. I'll show you what I've already built. You'll need a pair of scissors, a ruler, and a hair dryer. This stuff is designed to put over a window, and then using a hair dryer, heat it up, and it shrinks and tightens and makes a barrier. And so I'm hoping this will work with sneeze guards. So if you look over here, you'll see my PVC frame. That way. So this frame here, put together using 3/4 inch PVC. This is 48 inches. This is 36 inches here, 36 inches here, 36, 36, and then some legs down at the bottom. Now I didn't glue these together or anything, so I just kind of hammered them nice and tight. And the idea, especially for a science teacher, is that I can create this barrier and literally move it around the classroom into the lab area if I need to, so I can be talking to my students with a barrier between us. In addition, I made it this height. Another reason is because I use this director's chair over here, and I can put that behind my sneeze guard, and I can talk to my students. According to directions, I should have in this kit some tape here somewhere, right here, double-sided tape, and then this is the plastic material. I'm going to add this to the outside of my screen. So you're looking over here. I'm going to put a strip here, across, down here, and across here using this tape right here. And then I will cut this material, maybe about 2 inches extra on all sides. I can trim that up later. And once I attach it, then I can take a hair dryer and make it tight. That simple. Now in addition, just to make this to be able to survive a little bit longer, hopefully, and work a little bit better, is I 3D printed these clips. So after I attach the tape right here and put the plastic sheeting over, I can add this clip to it to help hold it in place. So over time, it should be able to, should last a little bit longer. So let me get to work measuring, putting the tape in and putting the plastic in, and you can watch. That was the easy part, getting the tape onto the frame. Now it's going to be a little trickier to get the plastic on there. It's a little breezy outside today, so I'm not too sure how well that will work, but I'm going to give it a try. All right, probably could have worked a lot easier if it wasn't as breezy outside, but or if I had a second person, but I was able to get it to work. So now I'm going to add some clips, some of these clips here, just to make sure the edges grip really tight. Now if you like this design and you're interested in these clips, I could send you the STL file so you can print them on your own 3D printer, or maybe we can work something out and I can print you up some. All right, we're going to take some scissors and trim off some of the excess on the back. Now the only thing left to do, according to the directions, is apply some heat to tighten this up some. Now I have a simple, lightweight, portable sneeze guard for my classroom. And what's great about this is I can change the size of this. I can make this shorter, just have this part here, put the legs up higher. This is something I can put on a desk. I could put it on a table. It doesn't have to be freestanding like the one you see right here. So excellent DIY sneeze guard for the classroom.